told you there's an electric car that's affordable, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Meet the BYD Seagull, a game-changer in the EV world. Hey everyone, welcome back to Revamp Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest innovations in the automotive industry. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting new releases, the BYD Seagull. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just curious about what's shaking up the market, this video is for you. Let's face it, finding an electric vehicle that's both budget-friendly and feature-packed can feel impossible. Most EVs are either too expensive or lack the range and tech features we've come to expect. And let's not forget the anxiety around charging infrastructure. So how do we solve these problems without breaking the bank? Enter the BYD Seagull. This compact EV from BYD, a leader in battery technology, is here to change the game. Let's break down why this little powerhouse is making waves. First off, affordability. Starting at around $12,000, the Seagull offers incredible value for money. It's perfect for first-time EV buyers or anyone looking for a reliable urban commuter. Don't let its small size fool you. The Seagull boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with premium touches like LED lighting and a user-friendly infotainment system. With a range of over 200 miles on a single charge and impressive acceleration for its thanks to BYD's advanced blade battery technology, the Seagull supports fast charging, getting you back on the road quicker than ever. But here's the kicker. The BYD Seagull isn't just another EV. It's a symbol of accessibility. For years, electric vehicles have been seen as luxury items reserved for the wealthy. But BYD has flipped the script, proving that sustainable mobility can be within reach for everyone. This is more than just a car. It's a movement toward cleaner, smarter transportation for all. So, to recap, the BYD Seagull delivers unbeatable affordability, stunning design, impressive performance, and eco-friendly innovation, all wrapped up in one compact package. If you've been waiting for the right time to make the switch to electric, this might just be it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more in-depth reviews and insights on the future of mobility. Got questions about the BYD Seagull? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your